Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Glip. If we go to settings, here on this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here search about Glip and we click. In this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn on your airplane mode. And here we'll turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your